The Hello everyone, Neon TJX here from the Neon TJX team, and I'm new in YouTube and I will make a video for today. So we're gonna open so I'm gonna open some chests first. I know. Wait, I will open this first. So we get gold. Wait, there's a loading. And we have an arrows and spear goblins. Ano ba? Wait, I hate those. So we will open the free chest. We got gold, gems, knight, and bomber. Next. We've got gold again, minions, musketeer. That's all. We will upgrade something.
Pwede mo na yata upgrade to.
Wait, I cannot. So we will upgrade the
Friendly battle.
goblin hut, and let's upgrade. Yes, it's level 3. And we will friendly battle with Killer Edge 42 now. So let's wait. Let's wait first, everyone. So everyone, I'm back. Let's gonna fight first in the bone pit. I will go to the bone pit first.
Let's get straight.
And wait. Ay, nakahanap na ako. Okay, we will fight Vera. Sabi na to. So, we will fight Vera, level 4. So we will do, let's do Goblin Barrel. Wait. There we go. Go, Goblin Barrel. Attack that one. I will crush this one. Go, Valkyrie. Oh no, I hate this. And we will lightning it now. Okay, let's do this. Come on, destroy the giant now. Okay, now attack that one. Okay, destroy that witch. I hate witch, man. Okay, we will destroy the thing. Go, Valkyrie. Okay, no, Goblin Hut, no. I know. It's Goblin Barrel, everyone. And let's do Goblin Barrel too. And okay, Goblin Barrel now. Yes. Oh, go Goblin Barrel. Attack that one now. Okay, destroy that giant now. Destroy the giant. I hate giants. You know. Attack the giant. No minions. Destroy that one now. Okay, let's put Valkyrie and let's destroy that thing. Attack now. Minions, go. Last one attack. No, yes. Go, Goblin Barrel. And we have 1 crown now. Okay, you kill it. Thanks. Go, lightning. And wait. Let's recharge first. Oh no, spear goblins, no. Yeah, baby dragon, go. Valkyrie. Oh no, giant. No. Attack now. Yeah. Go, giant. Come on, goblins. Destroy that. Yeah, good. Come on, spear goblins. Yeah, kill it. Yeah, kill it. Oh no! What? I did not go 3 star 1 crown only? That's okay. And we will open our silver chest from Arena 2. Let's unlock. And we have 3 hours. Yes, I will request for. I'll request for minions. I will wait for Hutch Garcia to battle with my brother and I will back in a minute. And we are battling my brother XX Hutch XX now. We will defeat this now. Let's charge. Let's charge and we will defeat this one now. Alright, so let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so we are killing it now. Oh no, the cannon, no.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's kill the minions now.
No.
Yes.
You cannot kill my minions. No, kill them.
I hate that cannon so much.
Okay.
And I will kill that cannon now. Yes, I kill it. Oh no, musketeer. Okay, I will kill it.
Oh no.
Yes, defeat that musketeer now. Oh no, not the cannon.
It's alright.
Okay, let's do this again. Kill it now. Let's kill the minions now.
That's a distraction. No, do not destroy the cannon.
Yes, we destroy the cannon and we will put some. Oh no, musketeer.
Okay, so drop our spear goblins.
And we will do the goblin barrel attack.
Oh no.
And let's destroy the musketeer. Yes, we destroy it.
Okay, so we're gonna
Let's charge first and let's say good luck.
say thanks.
Okay, so we're waiting and let's charge first.
Neon Jax, how many episodes do you have?
9.
Okay.
How about you?
I have 10.
So we're waiting for attack. Okay. So we have to destroy that one and our Valkyrie and minions. Oh no, he killed it. No, 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 no.
Yes, we need to count.
Kill that now, man. Okay, now we will do something good. Okay, now we will do some skeleton army.
Okay, so let's destroy the Valkyrie.
And we will destroy the prince now.
It's really noisy in here because our television is so loud.
Okay, let's do this now.
Nobody's here.
Let's do the baby dragon and let's do the skeleton army. And we will defeat this now.
No, okay. Okay, the cannon next.
Okay, so attack now, skeleton army. Oh, let's do this.
No.
And we will do the minions.
Okay, so
And spear goblins too. And let's do
so
goblins. And let's do the Valkyrie. And let's do this one.
Oh, you like to go with towers.
And let's kill this one now.
Oh
Okay, there's going to party here and we will destroy this one now. We need to win now, man.
no.
Let's destroy the musketeer now.
Oh no.
Yes. We destroyed now and goblin barrel. Destroy that one now. This skeleton army. Goblin, we have a party over here, man.
You have 40. Okay, when we win. I think we will win.
Oh no, we're gonna lose. No, 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 no.
Yeah, we win.
Oh no, we lose.
We win.
That's okay. We'll do it later. And that's all for today. And good rest for watching and another video. Goodbye.